Alright, so the first thing which you notice about the 70mai T800 once you've mounted it on the windshield of your car is that this looks super premium. I mean, it is a premium camera at a premium price and it does live up to its name. That being said, the most striking feature of the T800 is currently the ADAS features. The built-in super sensing ADAS gets about 5 ADAS features. And what sets the ADAS features in the T800 apart from other cameras is that this gets a on-screen overlay of those ADAS features. I mean, you get proper lines, blue colored lines indicating the lanes, gives you a blue colored boxes showing you the different vehicles and cars coming up on the road. I mean, you get to basically see that on the screen how the camera is processing and how the camera is recognizing those different parameters which are required for ADAS. I mean, I personally haven't seen this in any other camera till date. I mean, in terms of practicality, it might not be such a useful feature, but in terms of knowing how well the camera works and the kind of functionality it has, this is definitely one of the most coolest features which I've noticed about the T800. One more thing which really works in the favor of this camera is its super large display. I mean, why is this display useful? Because you can easily stream the rear camera view on the screen, so you'll never have to even look at the rear view mirror. The camera will be streaming straight up on the display, so even if your boot is filled up with the luggage to the brim and your rear windshield is totally blocked out due to the luggage, the rear camera will still be doing its job and streaming the view directly on the screen. So you have a reference point, so you have a view of what's going on at the back of your car. That being said, some of you do find the display to be a bit disturbing for your drive. In that case, 70mai has added a screensaver feature and also has provided you a feature to turn off the display if you don't want the display to be turned on all the time. So you have that convenience of keeping it on always, or keeping it in a screensaver mode, or turning it off completely. Well, but the most important thing about any dash camera is its video quality. And currently, getting a 4K resolution, a native 4K resolution backed with a Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor is considered to be a gold standard in dash cameras. And the 70mai T800 excels in that aspect because this is the first camera from 70mai which gets dual 4K dual Starvis 2 IMX678 based cameras, which means both front and the rear record a 4K resolution, a native 4K resolution packed with a Starvis 2 IMX678. You also get a lower variant of this camera wherein the rear camera records a full HD, not the 4K one, so you'll get it at a lesser price. But for someone who prefers a top-notch video quality from both front and the rear, who wants a balanced video quality from both front and the rear, the dual 4K variant is the camera to go ahead with, because the quality from these cameras are simply flawless, excellent in terms of grabbing any sort of evidence, any number plate reads, and all the information and all the evidence which you might want to gather from a dash camera's video. The T800 also gets a smart guardian parking mode. Well, it's another fancy term. Let's say for motion detection, basically the camera detects any motion right in front of the camera lens and will start recording a motion detection video whenever in parking mode. But do note that the camera needs to be connected to a hardware kit, either a fuse tab based hardware kit or a OBD2 based hardware kit. The good news being 70mai does provide you a OBD2 hardware kit and fuse tab based hardware kit, where next Digitron the next restaurant has released a OBD2 based hardware kit for T800, and you can go ahead and grab it along with the camera and get yourself some parking monitoring. This camera also gets a very practical feature, which is the voice control, so you can easily control many different aspects of this camera just by using your voice. One more underrated feature of most 70mai cameras is that this gets a auto off when parked feature. So this basically means whenever the car is stopped for some reason and the engine of the car is still on, or most likely in terms of Volkswagen or Skoda cars, where the engine is off but still the 12-volt socket is always on, the camera detects this and you can set the camera to turn off at any particular interval of time, which you can select or which you can customize within the setting of this camera. So this will be particularly very useful to Skoda and Volkswagen cars whose 12-volt sockets are always turned on. The camera can detect this automatically and turn off the camera, thereby saving your car's battery. Another feature which 70mai has implemented in the T800 is its 4K 60 FPS feature. So this works in a single channel mode, means You only have to shoot using the front camera, the rear and the cabin have to be turned off, but you get a higher frame rate of 60 FPS back with a native 4K resolution. Now, this is the highest level of video quality which can achieve from any camera. Higher frame rate, higher resolution, what more can you want? The fastest motions, the quick movements of cars and vehicles coming towards you or moving away from you can be captured very easily using the high frame rate. Another cool feature which 70mai has included this time is that the T800 gets Type-C ports only, no AV port. Now Type-C is a pretty much standard these days, and 70mai noticing that and including only Type-C ports within the camera is a big thumbs up. Another thing which most of you who use a triple channel setup always ask me about the privacy factor when using a cabin camera. Well, because in most of the cameras, the interior cam or the cabin cam is pretty much always turned on, so any activity inside the cabin of the car will always be recorded with the dash cam, and some of you might not be comfortable with that, and that's totally understandable. That's where 70mai has included a very small and a nifty feature. They have provided a dedicated hardware button to turn off the cabin camera. As soon as you click on it, the cabin camera turns off and stops recording. And to those of you who are very specific about their privacy aspect, this is one feature for which you should go ahead and grab the T800. Another accessory which comes with the camera is a CPL filter. Now, in plenty of my previous videos, I have emphasized how important a CPL filter is. And I must say, it's not like it's mandatory, it's not compulsory, but I would definitely recommend going with the CPL filter just to improve the video quality and to remove the glare and the dashboard reflections that might pop up on the video. It's definitely recommended. And 70mai providing these CPL filters via next registron is also a plus point. 70mai also does provide you a 12-volt car charger which gets two dedicated USB ports. Now, in most cameras, you might see that the power cable is pre-attached to the 12-volt socket, wherein it completely blocks out the socket. Thereby, you won't be able to use any other devices, any other gadgets in the car. In this, 70mai has provided a separate 12-volt charger with two USB ports. So, one USB port can be used for the camera, and you will still have a spare USB port to either charge your smartphone or use any other gadget in your car. One more cool feature of the T800 is that within the display, you can get a picture-in-picture mode. Basically, you get all three cameras being shown up on the display at the same time. But if you don't want that, you want a single camera view, you can also do that. You can also change the display to have a single camera mode via the settings. So looking at all of these features, some small improvements, some large improvements, some very practical improvements, the T800 looks to be a winner from 70mai. So this is a premium product. This is the top tier product from 70mai in 2026. And considering that, you can go ahead and grab this camera at a price of about 39,999. That's 40,000 rupees for the dual 4K and a single full HD cabin camera variant. Or you can grab it at a price of 29,999. That's 30,000 rupees for the front 4K, rear full HD and a cabin full HD variant. So no matter which of these variants you want to go ahead and grab, you can be assured that you're getting the finest product from 70mai, the most premium offering from 70mai. And based on my personal usage, I can assure you that this camera does not disappoint. So go ahead and grab the T800 right now. Do not waste this opportunity. And if you do have any doubts or queries regarding this camera, just write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if you did like this video, if you like the effort that's gone into making this video, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of my channel right now. Smash that like button and share this video with all your friends who are looking for some premium cameras, who are looking for some premium ADAS features in their car, in their cameras, and who want best of what 70mai can offer you in 2026. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.